Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to create a side countertop, also known as your worktop. Alright, so we'll be creating a side countertop. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, make sure you have your cabinet already built. Okay, so right now let's start by creating our countertop, the top part first. Okay, so you can right click, okay, select all countertops, countertop installation, or you can come right here at the plus sign, as you can see on top here, countertop installation. Right, so right over here you may change the sections and also your material. So I'll be using this one, right, this section. Okay, my material, I'll probably choose like a marble. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the height of my worktop is 38, right? So this one is my countertop thickness, right? So I'll set it to 50, okay? Why is that? Okay, so for this one, for your top countertop, it always follows the height, all right? So over here, you set 38, it will be 38, right? So if you set 50 or 100, it will be 100. Okay, but for secondary countertops, for example, like your back countertop or your side countertop, it will always follow the countertop thickness. All right, so over here, when I key in 50, later when I generate my side countertop, it will also follow 50. All right, it won't follow 38. Okay, so once I'm done, click on OK. Alright, so right now I have my top countertop ready. So how do I create my side countertop? Very easy. Right click on your countertop, create side countertop. Okay, and as you can see, when I move my mouse to my corner, okay, let me zoom in. Okay, as you can see, when I move it here, you will see a red line. Okay, so click onto the red line. Alright, so this is where you can create your side countertop. Right, you may install a normal one or a 90 degrees one. Okay, so I'll be using a normal side countertop. Alright, so over here, like I said, your worktop thickness, it follows according to what I key in just now. Okay, so it will be 50. If let's say I want to change, I can just untick this one and then I change my dimensions. Alright, so I will follow the same. Okay, and then over here, landing. What landing means is that, do you want your side countertop to go all the way touching your ground, touching your floor? Alright, so this one is landing. Okay, so if you don't want landing, you may change the dimensions also. So for this side, I'll be doing a landing. Okay, so just generate. So it will look something like that. Alright, so let me show you another one on the right hand side. Okay, right click, create side countertop. Okay, so go to your corner, as you see a red line, click onto it. Okay, so right now I'm not gonna use the landing one because I don't want it to go all the way touching my floor. Okay, so I can change it to maybe 480. All right, so when I'm done, generate. All right, so guys, as you can see, okay, so this is how you create your side countertop. Good luck trying, guys.